watermark's name. So same like that, you can insert a watermark in your page. So here you can select watermark part, and you customize your own watermark. To do that, when you click the watermark and customize here printed watermark, you can make it as a text watermark as well as a picture watermark. So here you are going to use this accepted script. Okay, whatever the word you're going to type, it will be your watermark. Okay, ICT 8, that will be your watermark. So the color we can choose what kind of color that we are going to use. So it will be applied. You can see the watermark. Okay, here it is applied. This is your watermark. So same like that, you can add page colors and also the page borders. Here's the thing, page border is I noted it ICT 19. Ma'am, can we give specific watermarks for specific watermark to each page? I think we can do. No. No, wait. I need to search it. ICT, I cannot exactly say is it possible or not. ICT 67. I need to find out it. Okay. No watermark. Custom watermark in here. I think it's only applicable for the entire document, not to page, but I need to confirm it. Okay, I'll answer your doubts into the Google Classroom. Okay, ICT 67. Okay, I'll check that uh, answer and put it into the Google Drive. Okay, sorry, Classroom. And can we customize border? Yeah, we can customize our border, and what kind of borders can we can apply, or what kind of width and height it should be. We can customize all the things. Here we can apply these settings is border none. It will be a none border. It will be give the box. Then you can find choose the style, and by check here, check out this four, which means horizontal two lines and vertical two lines. You can see where I can insert this border. Okay, if I need to only give the borders in top and bottom, I can remove the left right borders as well as we can apply the whole document or in one section, otherwise we can apply it's only the first page. So same like that, we can choose what kind of shape, what kind of see what kind of shape, what kind of border type we can insert. Is it clear now? Inserting border type, borders. Okay. I'm not doing the Google Classroom writing. Yeah, okay. I'll send you the code. Google Classroom code, okay? I put it in the chat box. Google Classroom. Then page layout. Here, by setting margin, you can set which kind of border we can. The margin, you can set the margin as well as, okay? This is normal size. Is margin is top is 1 inch. top, left, right, bottom is same like that. You can customize your margin as well as I think that question asked by one student. So from that you can customize your margin. If it is a top margin should be a 1.1 or 1.2, the left margin as well, same like that. So according to your requirement, you can customize your margin. To customize your margin, you have to go to the page layout and then margin, select customer margin. Okay. From that you can customize your margin. Concentrate in this lesson. Same like that, you can customize your margin and you can choose it. Your document, it should be a portrait or a landscape, and same as well. You can find out your size of the document. If you are going to print a letter, then you can print it as a letter, and otherwise you can print it as a A4 sheet. So same like that, here you can make this entire content as divided into the column wise. Here in page layout part, in page setup part, you have columns. Then you can choose it, the content, it should appear in a one column or two column or three column, and as well as you can add more columns. So I'm going to make it as a two column. See, it is divided into the two column 2. The entire page is divided into the two column, but it is only applicable the area that you are going to select it. Okay, so is it clear now? So adding columns, and this is a page break, and those are the things most important part. And here you can make the indent as well as here when you increasing, I think this is your section. When you are increasing your indent, it will go to the increasing way, and if you are going to decrease it, it will be decreasing. The intent mean in this part. You can see this. You can see the cursor point. No, when you click this left indent, entire document move into the left side. Okay, see, entire document leave into the left side. If you need to put the hanging intent means you may seen about in books the bibliography part, which means the first sentence, the first line is in the one position, and entire second to the rest will go into the right side. So to do that, to give the hanging intent, you need to move this part here only, left indent with this part. From moving hanging intent, you can customize which part will be my how to insert the hanging intent. Is it clear now?